Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Hi viewers, you are welcome to Sara Pakistan, and our today's topic is completing square. In this video we will solve question number 2 part B. Question says express each of the following in the form a times x plus b whole square plus c. In this question we have to change the form of this question. 3x square minus 12x minus 1. You can write it as by taking common from these two terms. We can take 3 as common and you are left with x square minus 4x minus 1. X square minus 2dx is equal to x minus d whole square minus d square. This will become 3 times x minus, here d is 4 over 2 minus 4 over 2 is 2 whole square minus 2 square minus 1. On simplification you will get 3 times, on simplification you will get 3 times x minus 2 whole square minus 3 times 4 minus 1. You will get 3 times x minus 2 whole square minus 12 minus 1, and this is equal to this is equal to 3 times x minus 2 whole square minus 13. If you look at carefully, you can find that it has been converted into the form a times x plus b whole square plus c. For a better understanding, now we will solve the part D. 2x square plus 7x plus 5. Let's see how it works. When you will take common from these two, you are left with x square plus 7 over 2x plus 5. And now apply the formula, which is x square plus 2dx is equal to x plus d whole square minus d square. Two x plus 7 over 4. You will take half of this. 7 over 4 whole square minus 7 over 4 square bracket close plus 5, and this can be written as 2 times x plus 7 over 4 whole square minus 2 times 49 over 16 plus 5. On further simplification, you will get 2 times x plus 7 over 4 whole square minus 49 over 8 plus 5 over 1. 2 times x plus 7 over 4 whole square, 8 is the LCM, minus 49 plus 5 times 8 is 40. And this is equal to 2 times x plus 7 over 4 whole square minus 9 over 8. And this is our required form. A x plus b whole square plus c. Thanks for watching.